infant. I can take anywhere from a newborn to 15-year-old. I've transported in here and stuff. So it just depends about what the age of the person is and stuff. We transport.
When dealing with children in the ambulance, is it more difficult to kind of put them at ease than adults when they're on here, or are they kind of excited for the ride?
I don't do that. I don't do any patient care at all. All I do is basically drive for them. The hospital provides a nurse and a respiratory therapist or whatever they need to take care of the patient and stuff. My responsibility is to get them from one facility to the other.
Okay, I'm going to take some video.
Sure.
Is this lock into place? Is it lock into place?
Yep. There's
or the wheels lock?
No, what it does is there's a cradle. You can see this right here. The front wheels go into this cradle, and then on this side over